Assalamu alaikum and very good morning dear students. This is our video lesson 8 and second for chapter 4. Chapter 4 is number system. Topics are addition, subtraction and multiplication of binary numbers, base 5 numbers and base 8 numbers. Dear students, please open your mathematics books, new countdown, book 8. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to find the sum of base 2, base 5 and base 8 numbers, calculate the difference of base 2, base 5 and base 8 numbers and express the product of base 2, base 5 and base 8 numbers. Now addition of binary numbers or base 2 numbers. In addition of binary numbers, we carry 2 instead of 10. Like in normal addition of decimal numbers, we carry 10. But here in binary numbers, we have to carry 2. We have to make it sure that the sum should not be other than 1 or 0 in the answer, because in binary numbers we just use 2 digits which are 1 and 0. And now the basic rule of addition are 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Now the example is 1 1 0 base 2 plus 1 0 0 base 2. Arrange these in vertical order and 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So the answer is 1 0 1 0 base 2. Now the subtraction of binary numbers or base 2 numbers. In subtraction of binary numbers, we borrow 2 instead of 10. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 0 minus 1 is 1. The example is 1 1 1 0 base 2 minus 1 0 1 base 2. And we arrange these in vertical order. So 0 minus 1, obviously we can't subtract 1 from 0, so we have to borrow. And when we borrow from here, it will be 2 here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Because it gave 1 as borrow, so it will remain 0 now. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 will come as it is. So 1 0 0 1 base 2 is the answer. Now multiplication of binary numbers or base 2 numbers. Multiplication of binary numbers is carried out in the same way as in the decimal system by using the rules of multiplication and addition. And the basic rules are 0 by 0 is equals to 0, 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 0 is 0 and 1 by 1 is 1. Now the example is 1 0 1 base 2 multiplied by 1 1 base 2. Arrange these in vertical order and then 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 1 by 0 is 0, 1 by 1 is 1. And then second step of multiplication, so same as in decimal number system, we have to write a 0 here and then same numbers will come 1 0 1. Now add up these two and follow the rules for binary numbers addition. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 will come as it is. So the answer is 1 1 1 1 base 2. Now addition of base 5 numbers. In addition of base 5 numbers, if the sum of digits is 5 or more, divide the sum by 5, write remainder below and carry the quotient. Example is 32 base 5 plus 54 base 5. Now arrange these in vertical order. Now 2 plus 4 is 6, which is obviously bigger than 5. So we will divide 6 by 5. It gives quotient 1 and remainder 1. Remainder 1 is here and quotient 1 will go up. Now 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. Again, this is bigger than 5. So we have to divide it by 5. It gives quotient 1 and remainder 4. So 4 will come over here and remainder will go up. And because there are no more digits, so 1 will come down as it is. So 141 base 5 is the answer. Now subtraction of base 5 numbers. In subtraction of base 5 numbers, we borrow 5. So example is 3251 base 5 minus 632 base 5. So here we have to subtract 2 from 1, which is not possible, so we have to borrow. So it will come 5 here. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Now because 5 gave 1 to the neighbor, it is 4 here now. 4 minus 3 is 1. Again 6 is smaller than 2, so we have to borrow. So when we will borrow, it will come 5 here. So 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 minus 6 is 1. And 3 will be 2 because it gave 1 to the neighbor, so it will come as it is 2. 2114 base 5 is the answer. Now multiplication of base 5 numbers. In multiplication of base 5 numbers, same steps as addition of base 5 numbers to be followed. If the product is 5 or more divided by 5, write the remainder and carry the quotient. Example is 341 base 5 multiplied by 3 base 5. Arrange these in vertical order. Now 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and it is lesser than 5, so there is no need to divide it by 5, and we will write it as it is. Then 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, which is bigger than 5, so divide 12 by 5 and it gives quotient 2 and remainder 2. So the remainder will come here and quotient will go there. So now 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, and 11 is again bigger than 5, so we have to divide 11 by 5 and it gives quotient 2 and remainder 1. So the remainder will come here and quotient will go over there because there are no more digits, so quotient will come down. So 2, 1, 2, 3 base 5 is the product. Now addition of base 8 numbers. In addition of base 8 numbers, if the sum of digits is 8 or more divided by 8, write the remainder and carry the quotient. The example is 674 base 8 plus 435 base 8. Arrange these in vertical order and then add up. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we have to divide 8 by 8 and it gives quotient 1 and remainder 0. So remainder will come over here and quotient will go over there. Then 7 plus 3 plus 1 is 11, and then 11 is bigger than 8, so we have to divide it by 8 and it gives quotient 1 and remainder 3. So 3 will come over here and quotient will go over there, which is 1. Now 6 plus 5 plus 1 is 12. Again 12 is bigger than 8, so divided by 8 it gives quotient 1 and remainder 4. So 4 remainder we will write here and quotient will go up. And again there are no more digits, so 1 will come down. So it is 1430 base 8 is the sum. Now subtraction of base 8 numbers. In subtraction of base 8, we borrow 8. Example, 632 base 8 minus 457 base 8. Now we can't subtract 7 from 2, so we have to borrow. When we borrow, 8 will come here. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now this 3 will be 2 because it gave 1 to the neighbor. So now again we can't subtract 5 from 2, so we have to borrow. So it will be 8 over here. So 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 5 will be 5. Now this 6 gave 1 to the neighbor, so it is 5 now. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 153 base 8 is the answer. Now multiplication of base 8 numbers. In multiplication of base 8 numbers, if the product is 8 or more divided by 8, write remainder and carry the quotient. The example is 462 base 8 multiplied by 3 base 8. Arrange these in vertical order. Then 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 and 6 is lesser than 8, so there is no need to divide it by 8. Now 3 6 are 18. Obviously it is bigger than 8, so we have to divide 18 by 8 and it gives quotient 2 and remainder 2. So quotient 2 will go up and remainder 2 we have written over here. Then 3 4s are 12 plus 2 is 14. Again 14 is bigger than 8, and so we have to divide 14 by 8 and it gives quotient 1 and remainder 6. So remainder we have written here and quotient will go up, which will come down as it is because there are no more digits. So 1626 base 8 is the product. Now the summary of today's lesson. What we learned today, we found sum of base 2, base 5 and base 8 numbers. difference of base 2, base 5 and base 8 numbers, and product of base 2, base 5 and base 8 numbers. Now we will come to the written assignments, and today's assignments are task 1, question number 5 and 6, exercise 4, page 54 of new countdown 8. Your task 2 is question number 7, exercise 4, page 55 of new countdown 8. Your task 3 is question number 8 and 9, exercise 4, page 55 of new countdown 8. Your task 4 is question number 10 and 11, exercise 4, page 55 of new countdown 8. And your last task is question number 4 and 5, MCQs 4, page 55 of new countdown 8. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Allah Hafiz and keep practicing.